Hey guys, Jared from Oneupreviewz. We got another pickup, and we've got the Nike SB Nyjah 3. And so we got the Nike SB Nyjah 3. We got this in the UK size 7.5, a US 8.5, and a European 42. But most importantly, we've got it in the Summit White Anthracite colorway. Before I open the box, I just want to give Nike big props on the box. I think that's a really dope color. I love the color purple, it's one of my favorites. And like honestly, it's really cool. It's different to the like normal SB box you get. That's the light blue. And like Nike SB's gonna be like the hottest thing at the minute. Everyone wants a pair of SB Dunks, especially after like Travis Scott's dropping and whatnot. But we've got the proper ones that people will skate in. I might skate in these, you never know. I'm talking about skating now. So we're gonna go tell you who this guy is. So if you don't know who Nyjah Huston is, he's actually the world's most paid skateboarder right now. He is, believe it or not. And he's so young at the minute. He's 25 years old, he's dominated the X Games. He's Nike's highest paid athlete of he is, it's him, because it was Paul Rodriguez and now it's Nyjah Huston. So he's the face of Nike SB, Nike skateboarding. And but big shout out to P Rod. I do love Paul Rodriguez, really good skater. And you guys, if you get a second as well, do watch like Nyjah Huston's mixtape, his skate tape even. Like it was produced by Nike SB, it's on YouTube. And I think it's really cool. He's a street skater, he's not vert. So I'm pretty sure he can skate vert, but yeah. Let's get opening. Really cool. I dig this, honestly. Really good shoe. So simplistic, yeah. It has the technology for skaters. So we'll start with the outsole. With the outsole, it's all rubber. I don't know what the shape of this is called. It's like similar to herringbone, well not herringbone shape. If you can help me with the name of this shape, you know, give in the comments below. We want to be educated. I want to know myself. Like it's such a cool shape. Even it reminds me. If you look closer, it does look like Kobe's logo, you know, the black mamba one. Always forever rest in peace, Kobe. Big SB. And what this is great for, obviously, is to grip on your grip tape. So when you're skating, it's gonna give you that nice balance. It's gonna help you like stay on your board basically. And the best skater, in my opinion, uses it because well, his name's on it. So the whole shoe, so this is all like it's like a slip-on. It's like a sock liner with like loads of synthetic textiles going over it. It's not nubuck. It's all synthetic actually. And you do have like fly wire connecting the laces, and it is like in between, so you can see it in between the holes there. You'll see like this yellow string, and that is the fly wire connecting it to the laces, supporting the shoe. And what it does is keeps the laces, if you look at it, it's keeping the laces together. So you got an added like stability around your foot. It's a lot of padding because it's a skate shoe, so when you're in the air, when you're crashing back down after a trick, an ollie, you want that comfort, you want that, you know, you don't want that aftershock to go reverberate back into your ankles, back into the underside of your foot. So you got a nice cushioning as well on the outsole. I mean, not the outsole, the inner sole, forgive me. As I mentioned, this is like Nike's free shoe, so it's like similar to their running. It's got that similar shape to the running trainer, and it's got all those grooves that you'll find on the Nike Free Run as well. Really cool. Pull tab on the heel counter, Nike SB branding. You got Nyjah's name on the tongue, right there. And yeah, it's all perforated at the front, so you can get some air for your feet. And I think it's a really cool colorway. It's like bone white, it's anthracite, you know, really cool, really minimalistic, as I mentioned. Nice. Look at that, one Nike swoosh, that's all you need. Well, there's actually 4 because there's one in there as well. But I can see, like, in regards to skate trainers that we've done before, we've usually do Vans. They've all got that Van silhouette, you know. This is screams Nike. If I didn't know any better, I'd think it was a running trainer, running shoe. But it's not. It was designed for skating. And I love what Nike are doing. Like, when they're working with their athletes, you know, they're getting their needs down. And it's nice to know that skating is fast becoming very popular. It's a sport essentially now. It's going to be in the Olympics. And, you know, good luck to Nyjah if he's competing. But yeah, I can't wait to try these on. It's going to be really cool. So let's do it. First things first, guys, it was quite difficult to get in. I feel like there's no like arch support. I mean, it feels like it's cupping, like the inside of my foot right there, if that makes sense. And it's quite tight on the forefront as well. I mean, you still got that breathability. It's very lightweight. It is expected because the whole shoe is a foam sock liner. With like a textile overlay, but still really cool to wear in the summer, I think. But it's not comfortable, and which is a shame. But we're not using it for its actual use right this minute. If it's good on skating, we'll let you know. Might do another video, but we'll see. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end on Instagram. Till next time, peace.